Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today let us make a fish recipe, stuffed pomfret fish fry. For this I have taken 3 pomfrets thoroughly washed. I have split the pomfret inside and made cuts here so that we can apply the spices inside. Now let us check the ingredients. For stuffing, half cup of grated coconut, 2 green chilies, little curry leaves and juice of 1 lemon. All other spices, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder and 2 tablespoons of oil. For stuffing, let us add the coconut, chilies, curry leaves, lemon juice and salt in a mixer grinder, and let us grind this coarsely. Do not add any water and keep it aside. Now let us mix the spices in the oil. Here also we are not going to use any water. All the spices we have to mix in the oil. Salt you can adjust as per your taste, and also the spice. Mix well. Now keep the stuffing inside the fish, the coconut mixture, and gently close it. Do not handle it harsh, just gently you have to handle the fish. Now let us apply the spice masala. Apply fully, and inside the cuts also you have to apply. Now we are going to fry this in the banana leaf. So apply little oil on the banana leaf and keep some curry leaves. Over that keep the fish, and again keep the curry leaves and just close it. I am here using the grill pan. This is not necessary. You can use even ordinary fry pan. Now apply little oil and keep the fish inside. And let us close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Let us check. Wow, a good aroma is coming. Now let us change the place, because the flame is in the center. There is a chance of burning, so I am just changing the place. Just slowly turn to the other side. Again close it and cook for 2 minutes. Wow, what a flavor and aroma of banana leaf and fish is coming. Now let us check is it done or not. Yeah, it's all done. Wow. Now let us take it out. Slowly take out the banana leaf. This is it. Yummy stuffed pomfret fish fry is ready now. Please all of you try and leave a comment. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. Now let us check the fish. This is very soft and very juicy. Thanks for watching.